So hello everyone, in this video we'll be practically working in JavaScript about the variables. So we'll look how the variables actually work in the code. So we understood about the basic concepts about the uh, variables in the last slides. So let's start writing our code. So as I've told you that var is a keyword which you will be using to write the variables. So you can name it anything, but you cannot start any variable with this name. With any number, you can start with underscore, dollar, or any letter which you want to use. So for example, I want to use f name. I want to use f name, and then I can assign a name, for example, Yash, and after that you have to put semicolon. So this is one way of declaring a single variable. So if you want to declare multiple variables, you can put comma there, and after that in the next line you can declare another variable, maybe L name, and assign some value to it. So for example, Yash Kumar, and then after I can declare one more variable which is age, which has 21 age for him, and I can add the semicolon here. So this is like declaring multiple variables at a time, and like multiple variables can be declared by adding this comma after declaring with a var keyword. So this will work. Let me just console log or document.write all the items. Document.write, if I add f name there, and document.write, this is a function which we have already looked in the previous video. Document write age. Let's see what it is doing actually. So you can see Yash Kumar 21 is there. Let me just remove all like below code. How you can comment this code, we have already seen that. You can add this backslash at the front, or you can directly comment this out by adding control backslash by typing this shortcut key, so which is in normally in Visual Studio work. So this is how we are doing, control backslash. Then you can save that out, and if you see it again, then you can see Yash Kumar 21 is there. So this is what we are doing. So this is I wanted to like show how you can create variables. Let's create variables with let. So if I do this with let, so that will also work. There's no difference with that. You can see that that's also working. If I do with the const, then that will also work. There's no difference with that. You see. But for example, if I create with the const, and if I reassign the f name, and I'm updating the value, now I want to update the value f name to current, for example. So you can see nothing is printed out because we are having some error. You have to right click and inspect the element and click on this console. It will show you the error. So you can see invalid assignment to const f name. So you cannot reassign something to a constant variable. If it was a let or var keyword, then it will work. So if I do that, then this will work. But let variables cannot be accessed outside the block. So for example, this is a block. So after that, I cannot use it. So if I go there, so you can see L name is not defined. So this L name is not working actually, and also this age is not working. Okay, Karan is working because we have added this Karan, and let me just save it and show you. So you can see now Karan is also not working. So all the variables declared with this let will not work outside this block. This block can be of any function also, but right now we are just for the understanding we are using this block curly bracket. If I declare with var, then I can use it outside the block also. So you can see Yash Kumar is there. So this is the difference basically between all the variables and the keywords const, var and let. So this is I wanted to tell you, and also you cannot start with the number. This is wrong. You can see that identify starts immediately after numeric. So this is giving me error. You cannot do that. You cannot declare some spaces between them. You cannot do that. Also you can add numbers in between and at the last, but you cannot add the numbers at the start. Okay, that's one point you have to understand. So this all is working. So this is I want to tell you, and in this video practically that how we can use variables and difference between all the keywords. So let's meet in the another one, and thank you for watching the video.